Are you struggling to keep up with your business's cash flow? Imagine having real-time control over your finances, no matter where you are. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks for real-time cash flow management, specifically tailored for Canadian businesses. You'll learn how to track your income, manage expenses, and even forecast your cash flow with just a few clicks. And once you're done watching, be sure to check out the video description below for valuable resources to help you continue your journey to mastering your business finances. Let's get started. With QuickBooks, you can have real-time insights into your business cash flow. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is a clear overview of your cash flow. Let's take a quick tour. One of the best features of QuickBooks is that it connects directly to your Canadian bank accounts, credit cards, and payment services like PayPal or Stripe. All of your transactions automatically sync with QuickBooks, so you never have to worry about missing important information. Now that your accounts are connected, QuickBooks automatically tracks your income and expenses. As payments come in or bills go out, QuickBooks updates your cash flow in real time. You can also review each transaction, categorize it, and ensure it's filed properly under the correct expense or income category. This is particularly useful for Canadian businesses needing to track GST or HST for every transaction. But managing today's cash flow is just the beginning. With QuickBooks Cash Flow Planner, you can forecast future cash flow up to 90 days in advance. This tool predicts potential cash shortages or surpluses, giving you the chance to plan for things like inventory purchases, hiring, or expanding. QuickBooks simplifies managing your bills and invoices. You can send professional invoices to clients, track when they are paid, and even send reminders for overdue payments. On the other side, you can enter bills from vendors, set due dates, and manage your cash flow so that payments are made when your business can afford them. Do you have recurring payments or invoices? QuickBooks lets you automate these tasks, saving you time and ensuring your cash flow remains steady without manually entering the same transactions every month. As a Canadian business owner, staying compliant with Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time regulations is crucial. QuickBooks makes it easy to track and file your sales taxes. You can set it up so that your sales and purchases are automatically categorized and calculated, giving you a clear picture of what you owe. Whether you're at your office or on the go, QuickBooks gives you real-time cash flow insights through the mobile app. You can check your cash balance, manage bills, or review your income stream from anywhere. Now that you know how to manage your cash flow in real time with QuickBooks, you can take control of your business finances with confidence. Whether it's tracking income, forecasting future cash flow, or staying on top of your expenses, QuickBooks makes it all possible. Before you go, make sure to check out the video description below for valuable resources to help you continue your journey. From helpful guides to expert tips, you'll find everything you need to keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more QuickBooks tips and business insights. See you in the next video.